guys, it's me Darin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up and I didn't even comb my hair. I'm so excited about today. I completed crocheting something which is never dying.
Man, it's mortal. What bullshit is this?
It was a customized order from that favorite person and I'm gonna meet her. Yeah, it's going to be a lovely
Oh, Miss Lovely, you're so lovely.
day. Please don't skip the video and just keep watching.
So I'm done wrapping the flowers and I'm absolutely so happy and satisfied with its outcome.
Okay guys, now I'm kind of ready with the flowers. You let me know in the comment box how you like it. All by myself, I really tried hard work. I mean, I can say that. Yeah, so let me know, did you like it or not?
So the wait is over and I'm ready to head to our final destination. And before I deliver this to her, I thought of making some sweet memories with these flowers, cause I'm not gonna have them again.
Thank you.
It's for you.
This is beautiful. I loved it.
Thank you.
I want to have more of these just to decorate them and all. And these are never going to wilt.
Yeah.
And people are looking at me.
It's for you only.
Thank you.
And we really had so much fun, guys, cause we met after 5 or 6 months. And yeah, and mostly I'm happy that she liked the flowers. I mean, she loved it. I'm so happy. This was all about today and I hope you enjoyed the video. So to get more crochet contents like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys.